Welcome to the HRMS demo session. HRMS is one of our flagship applications, now available in 152 countries and growing each month. We're proud to be a Microsoft certified solution, recognized as a top performer on G2 for our commitment to excellence. Built on the trusted Microsoft 365 platform, HRMS offers advanced security, robust infrastructure, and seamless integration, ensuring peace of mind for your organization. Now, let's take a quick tour and explore the powerful features of the HRMS app. As soon as you log into the HRMS homepage, you're greeted with an organized and user-friendly interface. Here, you have a bird's-eye view of your key organizational metrics, so you can stay on top of everything at a glance. Under the Tasks and Approvals section, all tasks and pending approvals are neatly centralized in one card. This streamlined view helps you easily stay on top of your daily activities and ensures nothing slips through the cracks. Moving on, we have the Employees Out Today section. This shows the number of employees on leave today, helping you stay informed about team availability. In the Leave Balances section, you can easily track all types of leaves for every employee. It's an efficient way to monitor leave balances and ensure everything is always up to date. Keep an eye on the next holiday to plan ahead for breaks or work schedules. Encouraging employee development is easy with the My Courses section, where employees can track their courses and training progress, ensuring continued growth within your organization. Additionally, quick links provide instant access to HR 365 and the knowledge base, so you're always equipped with the right resources. In the My Expense section, you can easily track all the expenses you've raised. In the My Feedback section, you can quickly view all the performance feedback you've received. Next, we come to the Organization section. Let's start with the Post feature. This is where you can share updates, announcements, or even just connect with your team. Next, we have the Announcement feature. This is perfect for sharing important company-wide updates, reminders, or key events. Show appreciation with the Praise feature. It's a great way to acknowledge employees for their hard work and dedication. Want to gather feedback or make decisions collectively? The Poll feature allows you to create quick surveys for your team. Stay connected with your team's milestones using the Upcoming Birthdays and Anniversaries section. It shows you important dates for birthdays and work anniversaries, making it easy to celebrate your colleagues' special moments. Let's take a closer look at the various apps available at the top. Each app is designed to address a specific need within your organization. First, we have Employee Directory 365. Easily find employee details, apply filters, and access important contact information. It's like a digital phone book with advanced features for better employee management. With Time Off Manager 365, you can easily manage and approve employee leave requests. This app streamlines the entire leave process, helping HR teams manage absences efficiently. Employee Onboarding 365. Whether you're bringing in new hires or managing exits, Employee Onboarding ensures everything is handled smoothly and efficiently. Timesheet 365 helps you track and manage work hours, making it easier to ensure accurate billing and efficient time management. Expense Tracker 365 monitor company expenses and ensure everything stays within budget without the headache. Recruitment Management 365 makes a breeze, allowing you to manage job postings, track candidates, and streamline your hiring process. Lastly, Performance Management 365 helps you evaluate and track employee performance. Set goals, review progress, and help your team reach their full potential. Customize your app experience through the Settings section. Here, you can adjust configurations, manage your app preferences, and even change the theme to match your company's brand. And that's a wrap on the HRMS app demo. With a comprehensive set of tools like Employee Directory, Time Off Manager, and Performance Management, HRMS ensures every aspect of your HR workflow is simplified and streamlined. Security. We don't store any of your HRMS information on our cloud. All the information and data stays in your Office 365 tenant, except the person who installed the app, which is the bare minimum needed for licensing, subscription, and renewal needs. New features. Our team is constantly working to improve our product and provide you with the best user experience. We are continuously adding new features that we think you will love. To learn more about these features and how they can benefit you, please check the description of the video for a link to our website and a video of new features. Thank you for spending time with us. There is a lot more to explore, so if you're ready, you book a slot with our team to help in setting up trial. Find a link from the description below to book a demo with HRMS experts, or you can send email to us at trial@apps365.com. We are pleased to present you with our application boutique to select the much-needed app to enhance operational efficiency and employee satisfaction. If you're interested, you can request a live demo by following the link provided in the description or by visiting the website. This will allow you to explore the features and benefits of these applications.